This is 1333 Pine Street, Unit 1R. Beautiful Pine Street in Washington Square, Philadelphia. This is a first floor unit. Again, this is a studio apartment. This is the unit. This is one of the closets. Landlord will function in a bar if you'd like. Shelving. Does not come furnished, okay? There is no oven. There is a cooktop, okay? Small refrigerator would go there. This is the bathroom, okay? Small sink, large shower, everything's brand new. Toilets over here. Again, this is the kitchen. Okay. I'm not sure what the landlord plans to do with this back area, but it can be commonly accessed by all of the rear units, okay? There's not much space back here. But if the tenant wanted to make it nice, they could, okay? And it goes back to that brick wall. Again, the landlord will clean this up, but the tenant could make this nice if they wanted to. This is a rear stairwell for the other renovated units. Almost all the units are rented now. This is one of the last ones. And that unit 1F will be renovated in the next 2 months. Last but not least is the laundry, okay, which is located in the basement of the property. Common laundry. Not used by all of the units. There's 7 or 8 units in the property, and a number of them have in-unit washer dryer, okay? So, that's $1.50, it's $2 or $1.75, okay, for washing and drying. And this is unfinished space, common space, will be cleaned up by the landlord once the renovation is finished, on unit 1F, okay? And that is the unit. Let us know if you're interested. But not least, I didn't include this. This space is also included in your unit. Closet space, another egress to the outside. This goes back to the rear outdoor space. Again, this will be cleaned up and cleared out by the landlord once renovation of 1F is complete, okay? But this is another added space of your apartment. And again, this is the door. Apologize. This is the door to your apartment. Okay, so when you walk out through here, there's this outdoor space. And then this is your front door. That's the common area of the building. Laundry is behind here. That's the space.